Hello everyone, I'm Sheila. Welcome to my cooking channel. I cook different type of food. If you like to support me, drop a comment, like and subscribe. Thank you. Today we are going to prepare beef stew plus veggies and rice. You can see our meat is boiled already. We have there our spices. We have salt, Royco, cumin, beef masala, paprika, and we have the other veggies, tomatoes, Irish, onions, green pepper, carrots and ginger, and we have spinach. Yeah, our meat is boiled. We are going to fry it. Add oil. Add onions. Add green pepper. Add Irish. Add ginger and garlic. Add tomatoes and carrots. Mix the spices with water. Let it to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. We are now cutting the spinach. Add some water, onions, salt, going to cook the rice. Add 2 cups of water, some cooking oil and salt. Mix and cover for 30 minutes. Our food is now ready. You can see it looks so yummy and delicious. If you have been watching up to this level, that means you liked the video. Just make sure you don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.